Oh, I love just getting to meet the kids and making an impact on their daily lives. My name is Mackenzie Moss, and I am a graduate of Northeast Iowa Community College. My program of study at NICC was early childhood. The instructors I had here at NICC were amazing. They were there just to say, send me an email whenever you need help. In the labs, well, it first started off just a lot of observing how kids react to you teaching anything. Otherwise, then we kind of took it farther to lesson plans. We had to make sure we did each subject from science to art. It really prepared me for my position. My current job is a child care assistant. I do a lot of the scheduling, making sure children get enough time for the physical activity, rest, and playtime, and assisting the lead teachers. My passion for working with kids now has a purpose, thanks to NICC.